first I'm gonna upgrade the tire of this bike. Looks like the tire of this bike is mainly for road use, and this tire has a little bit of thread here, and the size of this tire is 700C by 32. You can see here that's tire size, really thinner than most of the gravel bikes. So I got the tire here. I was able to buy one. This is the Pathfinder Sport tire, specialized brand. What I like about this tire is you can go fast too, because in the middle part of the tire it has some less rolling resistance area here, so you can go faster on road surfaces. And if you want to go in gravel areas, so have some knobs here on this side, so this is pretty much all around tire. So this tire is $30, and again it's a 700 by 42, and I get also the bigger rear tube, specialized brand. Alright, let's take off these old tires and change it to this newer one. Beautiful weekend, guys. We're here in Pacifica, California, right facing the Pacific Ocean again. So we're spending a weekend this week. It's my daughter's special day, so the view here is again really amazing. Look at those rocks formations here. There you go. It's inside. Beautiful interior. Kitchen. Sink. Island. Look at the view here. It's $1 million view. Sliding door. We open it. There you go. Overlooking the pier. A little windy. Alright, there. We stay there for 2 nights. And across the street is the pier. Very convenient. Perfect location. The good thing about this pier is you can go fishing without a license. So no problem. You can just bring your fishing pole and cast your net, cast your bait there, and you get lucky, you can get some fish. Today it's a little windy. I hope you can't hear that wind noise right now, but this is the view of the street here, and that's the house again we rented. Another one here, and that's the Mori Point right there. That's where I like to come. Look at the stones here. The tides are so big right now. We'll see how this GoPro can works on bumpy stabilization. I have my old GoPro 5. Let's check this video here. So this is my bike right here. Here we go. The view here is amazing. It's a little windy here. Probably you can hear the wind noise, but sorry about that. But as usual, it's early in the morning, Saturday morning. Perfect day to start the day. So I'm here in the some trails there. There you go. Alright. Go downhill here. Look at the view. The view here is amazing. So windy. There's a view and up the point. And here's the pier over there. Some rocks. Another fort here. Alright. Alright. The slope here. Trying this lobster roll here in Sam's Chowder House. Famous lobster roll here. See. So ma'am, how's the order done?
Oh my god, yeah.
Alright, this is the lobster.
Really, it's good.
And then there's the roll. And we're gonna place this one between. What do you have, mom?
Clam chowder.
Clam chowder. Hey, look at this, the meat here, real meat. Lobster meat. There it is. Lobster roll.
Yep.
Little beach here. Hi guys.